If you want to hide apps on Google Pixel 10a, then unfortunately there is no dedicated option, menu, button, feature, anything that would allow us to simply hide apps on our phone. However, what we can do is we can use the private space in order to hide apps of our choice. And the private space can be, of course, used for many things, but we can, in this video, we can use it to hide apps, and I'm gonna explain how to do so. So if we go to settings and then over here proceed to security and privacy, then we can go to the private space in here and we can set it up in this place. So let's quickly set it up. You can also use a Google account, which is recommended because this will allow you to use the Play Store inside the private space. And private space is a separate environment and that we can have inside our phone, and we can install apps inside that private space. So let me sign into my Google account. And then I'm gonna choose that I will be using this device, and then we need to agree to Google Terms of Service. And afterwards, you will have the option to set up a password for the private space, the separate password, or you can use the screen lock password instead. So for the simplicity of this video, I'm just gonna use the same password that I use for the screen lock, but if you want to, you can create a new password for the private space that is going to be used in order to access those hidden apps. We are all set, so let's tap on done, and then the private space is over here at the bottom of the app drawer. So we're gonna tap on this lock in order to unlock the access to the private space. There we go. And how we can now use it in order to hide apps, it is pretty straightforward. So if you have any apps that you want to hide, let's say I want to hide this Facebook app and this Instagram app. What I can do is I can tap on add in the private space and I can install both of these apps in the private space. So if I search for them now, if I type Facebook in here, you will notice that I can install apps. I can install this app, even though I already have it installed. So this is why I said that the private space is pretty much like a separate environment. It is completely separated from everything that we have in here. And what you need to keep in mind is if you install the app in the private space, and if you already have the app outside of the private space, this app is not moved or anything. The data in this app is pretty much, well, there's no data actually. There are no accounts, no data whatsoever. So you will have to sign into your account in here once again, or set up the app from the scratch. Simple as that. And let's also use the Instagram app. Let's install it in here as well. So if you have these apps already set up on your phone in general, then in that case you might want to just set it up again in the private space. Once we have these apps ready, we can uninstall these apps from our phone. So I'm gonna uninstall Facebook, I'm gonna uninstall Instagram as well. There we go. And now if I go to the private space, as you can see, these apps are still there. But I can now lock the private space and now they are technically hidden. What we can also do is we can hide the private space as well. So once you unlock the private space, right next to the lock button, we have this setting icon and we can turn on hide private space option. There we go, let's tap on got it. So now if I go back and if I lock the private space, as you can see, now the private space is not visible at the bottom of the app drawer. In order to access the private space, we need to use the search bar at the top, and in here we need to start typing private space. There we go. We need to, of course, verify ourselves, and there we go, now we have the private space again. So this is how we can use the private space in order to hide apps. Unfortunately, it seems that we cannot add shortcuts to the home screen or anything like that, but of course that is probably what you want. You probably don't want to add shortcuts to the home screen or anything like that, so they are here and they cannot be moved anywhere else. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.